Hi, so once we have solved all these parts, so solve all these bottom layers, see white and all these layers on the sides, and only this one layer left. Okay, it can be any layer, only this one last layer left. In my case, it's a gray layer, so only this layer is not solved. So the next step is we'll first bring all the gray edge pieces or whatever the last layer color you have. I have gray, so we'll first make a star of gray. And in this, it's not mandatory to match the edges. Only on top it should be gray. So these edge pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 should be gray. This is not mandatory to match. So let's start. Okay, so the first case is when you have any three pieces already facing on top. So any three gray pieces already facing on top, and the rest two are opposite. So they are not together, they are opposite. So when they are opposite, we'll keep the cube so that we have one piece, one unsolved piece facing front and another on the right side back, right back. Okay, so let's solve it. So we'll face it like this, and then we'll do F R U R prime U prime and this F prime. So see, now all five edge pieces are gray now. So another case is this, where the three edge pieces which have the gray on top are like this, and the other two which are not solved or in which the grays are not on top, they are together or they are side by side, not opposite, side by side. So when they are like this, we'll do F U R U prime R prime and F prime. So see, if we do it, all five are facing on top. So sometimes it may be possible that none are facing on top. So you can do any of the formula of any of the case in which either they are on together or opposite. You can do any formula, then you will definitely get one of these two cases, and after that we can solve it. Okay, after we have brought all the gray edge pieces like this, in which the gray is on top, the next step is we'll match the edges. So this gray, so this blue should be blue, here it should be this color, it should be this color, it should be green and green like this, so it should match. So how do we solve it now? So in that we'll see, first try to match how many edges are already matching. So in my case 1 and 2, these two are matching, this one is not matching, this one is not matching, so two edges are matching. So it might be possible that one edge might be matching, or two, or all five. So when two edges are matching and those two edges are on opposite sides, okay, one is here and one is here, they are on opposite sides. So how do we solve it? We'll see, we'll hold the cube like this, in which those two sides on left and right, not like this front or back, but those two solved edges, these two are matching, they are on left and right. We'll hold the cube like this, and on the back side of this layer, back side means this one and this one, we'll try to match the edge pieces with the side. So first we'll try the right side. We'll see, okay, when I do the right move or this U move, this is matching. When I do the U prime move like this is not matching. So you have to try to match any of the edge. So let's see which one is matching. If it is matching on the right side, then we'll match it. So we have matched it, and then we'll keep that side in front, the matched side in front, and then we'll do this formula r u r prime u r u prime again, and r prime. And now see if on the right side you got a matched edge piece or not. So if not, we'll again do the same formula. This time it is not matching, so we'll again do the same formula r u r prime u r u prime and u prime r prime. So see, this time on the side of it got matched. So right now this one is matching, this one is matching, this one is not, this one is not, and this one is not. So the two matching edges right now are side by side, they are not opposite. If they are on side by side like this one and this one are on side by side, so we'll hold the cube so that one edge piece that is matching is in front and one is on the left side. So we'll keep it on front and left. So we'll do r u r prime u r u prime, again u prime and r prime. And again see if on the right side this is matching or not. Not matching, so we'll do this move again. So r u r prime u r u prime and u prime and r prime. So this time see this, all 5 edges are now matching. So sometimes you might have a case where only one edge is matching. So we'll do the same move, keeping that one edge piece, matching edge piece in front. We'll do that move, and then at least 2 will match. After that we can solve it just how we solved it earlier. Okay, thank you.